Quantum physics, often seen as an abstract and complex field, holds the key to unlocking the untapped potential within us and transforming our lives in remarkable ways. The principles of quantum physics delve into the nature of reality, energy, and consciousness, providing insights that can revolutionize the way we perceive ourselves and the world around us. In this video, we'll explore how to use quantum physics to change your life, offering practical techniques that can catalyze personal growth and empowerment. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. How to use quantum physics to change your life. Quantum physics offers a new perspective on reality, one that challenges conventional thinking and opens up new avenues for self-improvement and transformation. Here are 10 powerful techniques that can help you harness the principles of quantum physics to change your life for the better. 1. Embrace the power of intention. Quantum physics unveils the profound role of intention in shaping reality. By crafting clear and positive intentions, your energy aligns with desired outcomes. Picture your aspirations as accomplished realities, thus invoking the quantum realm's potential. This approach magnifies your intentions, hastening their materialization. Much like a quantum particle's behavior is influenced by observation, your intentions influence your reality. This insight empowers you to shape your path by directing your focus and energy. As you embrace this quantum perspective, you embark on a journey where your intentions become the guiding forces that sculpt the world around you. 2. Practice mindfulness and observation. The quantum realm highlights how observation impacts particle behavior. Similarly, non-judgmental self-observation enhances self-awareness. Mindfulness practices aid detachment from negative thoughts, enabling conscious choices that shape life positively. As particles respond to being observed, you respond to your thoughts. Embracing this parallels quantum principles with daily life. Witness thoughts and emotions, free from judgment, to understand yourself better. Mindfulness fosters detachment from negativity, empowering conscious choices. Just as quantum states change through observation, your inner state transforms through mindful awareness. By harmonizing quantum insight with mindfulness, you create a powerful tool for self-improvement and self-mastery, aligning your reality with your intentions. 3. Embody quantum resilience. Quantum particles exhibit remarkable resilience and adaptability. Apply this principle by cultivating resilience in the face of challenges. See setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. This mindset shift can lead to transformative personal development. 4. Tap into quantum healing. Quantum physics indicates that healing transcends the physical domain. Delve into energy healing methods such as Reiki and acupuncture, which interact with the body's energy fields. These practices operate on the premise that our well-being extends beyond the surface. By tapping into the body's energetic aspects, they strive to restore balance and harmony. Reiki, for instance, involves channeling healing energy to promote relaxation and stimulate the body's innate healing abilities. Acupuncture, on the other hand, employs the insertion of fine needles at specific points to regulate the flow of energy, promoting overall wellness. These approaches acknowledge that disturbances in our energetic equilibrium can manifest as physical, emotional, or mental distress. 5. Practice quantum gratitude. Gratitude enhances positive energy and attracts abundance. Quantum physics emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things. Express gratitude for the present moment and envision your future with gratitude, allowing the universe to respond in kind. 6. Engage in quantum decision-making. Quantum physics underscores the presence of numerous potentialities. When faced with decisions, contemplate the various outcomes that could arise. Have faith in your intuition as it navigates you towards the option that aligns with your greatest benefit. This approach acknowledges the diverse paths that unfold in the quantum realm, encouraging you to tap into your inner wisdom and make choices that harmonize with your optimal journey. Trusting your intuition connects you with the limitless array of possibilities, inviting you to step into a world of potential where the right decisions enhance your well-being and growth. 7. Harness quantum visualization. Visualization resonates with the quantum concept that thoughts hold energy. Craft a mental picture of the reality you aspire to achieve and imbue it with feelings. This concentrated energy can accelerate the realization of your aspirations. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, you're tapping into the quantum field's potential for manifestation. Visualizing your goals with fervor creates a dynamic synergy between your intentions and the energy around you. This process can ignite a chain reaction, drawing circumstances and opportunities that harmonize with your envisioned reality. 8. Foster quantum relationships. Quantum entanglement proposes that particles remain interconnected, irrespective of distance. Extend this idea to relationships by nurturing profound connections. Engage in active listening, display empathy, and maintain open communication to cultivate substantial bonds. Just as particles exhibit an innate link, investing in genuine interactions fosters a sense of closeness that transcends physical proximity. Practicing these qualities in your relationships establishes a bridge, enabling you to understand and resonate with others on a profound level. 9. Shift quantum self-belief. Quantum physics disrupts the idea of an unchanging reality. Likewise, reshape self-limiting beliefs into empowering convictions. Acknowledge your ability to mold your reality and nurture steadfast self-confidence. Just as quantum principles reveal the fluidity of existence, you can reshape your mindset to embrace your potential. Replace doubts with affirmations that reflect your capabilities and aspirations. Embrace the understanding that you play an active role in shaping your experiences. 10. Embrace quantum abundance. The quantum realm inherently overflows with abundance. Embrace this by releasing thoughts of scarcity. Put your faith in the universe's boundless abundance, and synchronize your thoughts and actions with this reality. Just as quantum physics showcases the universe's abundant nature, discard limiting beliefs. Cultivate an outlook that welcomes prosperity, trusting that opportunities and resources are limitless. Using quantum physics to transform your life might sound complex, but it's actually quite simple. By trying out these easy techniques, you can unlock the power within you and create positive changes. Just remember, it's not about controlling the universe, but about aligning yourself with its possibilities. As you explore these ideas, you'll find yourself growing, changing, and living a more vibrant life. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.